absolutely not apricot, and today I'm going to be dyeing one of my favourite dresses. So the dress that I'm going to be dyeing today is the Baby the Star Shine Bright Heart GSK from 2005. It's the oldest dress in my collection, probably, and my first few dresses were all black on black JSKs from a similar era so that I would be able to coordinate them well. And this one, I'm afraid, has aged a lot worse than the other ones. You can really see the blue undertones beginning to come out, and just in general, a lot of people comment that it looks a lot older than some of my other ones. So today I have undertaken to dye it back to the black I know it can be. For this project, you will need, or I will need, hopefully, a pair of rubber gloves so you don't get black dye everywhere, 2 packets of Dylon Black Do-It-Yourself dye. Each packet does about 250 grams, and having weighed this dress, it is about 500 grams. I'm planning on also doing some jeans because apparently if you're already dyeing something black, you need less of this anyway. But this is the one that you have to do yourself in a basin rather than in a washing machine. A laundry delicates bag. These are net bags that you use for putting delicate things like frilly dresses in a dryer or washing machine. And a basin. This was a surprisingly expensive basin. I bought it on the high street and it was... So the instructions on the back of this packet of dye are as follows. Weigh dry fabric, wash thoroughly. I've already done that. Leave damp. Using rubber gloves, dissolve dye in 500 milliliters of warm water. Fill a bowl or stainless steel sink with approximately 6 liters of warm water at 40 degrees. Stir in 250 grams of salt. Add dye and stir well. Submerge fabric in water. Stir for 15 minutes, then stir regularly for 45 minutes. Rinse fabric in cold water. Wash in warm water and dry away from direct heat and sunlight. So that's a lot easier than I thought it would be. Having seen reviews online, there were plenty of people who were leaving them overnight for about 24 hours or something. But it seems that I can get this done today. This leaves me less time than I thought I had, so I'd better speed up. I am going to need to change into something that I don't mind getting ruined by black dye in order to actually start this process. So the next time you see me, through the power of editing, I'm going to be wearing a much worse outfit. Bye bye! Hello everyone! So as you can see, I have relocated to a place to do laundry. I have changed into clothes that are a lot less nice and that I can afford to get ruined by black dye. I have measured 250 grams of salt, which is a lot more salt than I thought it would be. And I'm pretty much ready to start. So when I start, you'll probably only see this much of me, but I hope I can convey the process well enough. See you around! apricot from a few days in the future, and I'm here to give you my concluding thoughts on how it went. So here's the dress now. It's definitely a lot darker than it was before, but there's still some signs, and it's not as dark as my other dress, just slightly. I don't think people will make as many comments now, but the lace didn't absorb it as well as I would have liked it to, even though the main part did. I would definitely still be worried about wearing this in the rain because I'm worried that the dye will leak, especially since I like to wear white blouses. That would be disastrous. But on the whole, I'm looking forward to wearing it again, and I'm glad it didn't go badly, is all I'm thinking. If I do this again, I'll definitely try other brands of dye, or I'll try leaving it for slightly longer. Thank you for watching. If you liked my video, I'd really appreciate it if you liked, commented, or subscribed. I've been absolutely not apricot. I hope your day is going just peachy, and bye bye for now.